I need a durag. This kind of durag. That Santa Durag. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. First example is gonna be this guy. First thing first, you put your durag on. You use the ball to indicate the center, like that. Once you have centered it, you can use this line to ensure it. You use these guys and you loop them. Make my knot. Everybody makes their knot differently. Everybody has different purposes for their durags. But one thing for sure, this durag is gonna take care of all of that. Use the ball to make sure it is centered, like this. And then you proceed on with your Christmas. Second demonstration, flathead. I use my thumbs as indicators to create the flat. Grab my loops, create my knot, tie it tight. And then I head on to the holidays. Third demonstration. Grab my loops. I'm making a knot. Put this string right there. You open up the material. You open it wide to create the flat. You wrap it slowly but surely. You remember where you have it, you keep it there. This one, you do the same thing. Open the material. Create the flat. Don't forget to keep both sides even. The back, make a simple knot. And that's the flathead for you. I'll show you how to tie it to the side now. I grab the strings, make a knot. Bring this guy right here. And I give this guy a wrap down. Now, I remember that I brought this guy here so I can make a knot. Make your loop, and then create your knot. That is how you tie it to the side. And that's how you tie a Santa Durag. Get you a Santa Durag at santadurag.com.